gunshot, no peace in the land. We fi rise up now, cause the thing them get around. Yo, bad man rule from the top to the street. Pants and low, them a rock to the beat. But the only beat real is the gunshot sweet. While the man of them cry, cause them son dead neat. Me no know where the love gone with the breeze. Jamaica mash up like the sea where I freeze. Is this what we want for the big need them see? A pure wickedness run, can't get no ease. Bad mind mash up every heart in a ear. You them not fight for no love, only fear. Me no care where you're from, not south or anywhere. Jamaica not fi end up in a blood clot tear. Is this Jamaica where we heading? Born on fire, but the youth them not listen. Man are dead, people running from the system. Tell me now, is this really where we're living? Is this Jamaica, where the love gone? Where the love gone? Man, I bought up the place, but we still can't.
Welcome to FFC TV Voice of the People, where social issues, music, and motivation meet. This is the place where we dive into social issues, explore the power of music, uncover regional Jamaican history, and bring you motivational content to inspire your journey. Join the conversation, connect with the culture, and be part of a community that speaks for the people.
Is this Jamaica? Which direction are we heading? Is this Jamaica? You don't seem so high. Because of all the past things they've thrown off, they get burned. Is this Jamaica? What is the nature of it? What is in man's heart? In a Jamaica. Is this Jamaica? Has God forsaken us? We're just a bag of bullcrap and pretenders. Acting like we're people, but we're just a bag of offenders. The country isn't in a state of disarray. When are we going to take action? Everyone minds their own business while the country is crumbling. Is this Jamaica? What do they say? We have peace and love for one another. Is this Jamaica? What do we say? Out of many, one people. Is this Jamaica? Where even the youth can't walk the road anymore. Is this Jamaica? There was once a time when women, men, and children could walk freely on the road without trouble. Is this Jamaica? What happened to law and order? Is this Jamaica? What are we living for? Is this Jamaica? Where the members of parliament act like they have no power. Is this Jamaica? Where people could walk the streets free and happy. Is this Jamaica? Where we have no freedom of speech. Is this Jamaica? Where are the white sands and the white beaches? Is this Jamaica? It's like the whole country has been overtaken by disease. Is this Jamaica? It's like everyone is suffering from mental breakdowns. Is this Jamaica? Where women and men spend their whole day on TikTok. Is this Jamaica? We have a whole heap of women with respectable backgrounds, but now all the men walk around with their pants hanging low. Is this Jamaica? Where even bad men are members of parliament. Is this Jamaica? It feels like a disaster area. You may ask the question, is this Jamaica? Or should I say, look up, look upon Jamaica. Are we supposed to be our brother's keeper? Is this Jamaica? Who are we taking things for? Like the pastor on the JUT bus preaching. They threw him off into a dark corner and someone took his life. What's going on? Is this Jamaica? Why are we so wicked, man? We talk about Haiti, we talk about Cuba, we talk about America, we talk about Namibia, we talk about Uganda, but is this Jamaica? It feels like we're paying armed citizens in Jamaica. Is this Jamaica? Full of pedophiles, full of warmongers, full of gunslingers, bad man police, bad man soldiers, bad man vloggers. Is this Jamaica? Is this what we voted for? Nothing is working properly. We need to wise up and take things into our hands, or we're gonna lose Jamaica. The young men and the police are killing each other. Imagine, every day you hear of another shooting. He traveled from Kingston straight to Negril Pike, now he's reached Manchester. Even St. Elizabeth hears the birds sing a different tune. Is this Jamaica? There was once a time you hardly heard Portland's name, but now Portland's in the news every day. Is this Jamaica? Why are the men so bad? The violence is so much that even brothers turn against each other. If it continues like this, no one will want to come here anymore. Is this Jamaica? Is this what we want for our neighbors, our brothers, our sisters, and our young ones coming up? What do you think our ancestors would say? Is this Jamaica? I don't think so. We've lost ourselves. We are not our brother's keeper. We're killing each other more than the slave masters did. Cha-cha, is this Jamaica? I don't think so. Things have become bitter and hard. Why is it so bad in Jamaica, mister? So, I have to look, I have to ask, I have to wonder. Is this Jamaica? It's not pretty, mister. For all the people who left Jamaica, be careful about coming back because bullets are flying everywhere. At one time, returning residents would come to Manchester. Now put two and two together, stay far from here. This is a calamity. This is a serious matter. People used to run from the town to Manchester, or from town to St. Elizabeth. But now, Manchester is hot like fire. When will we wake up as citizens? Can't you see the government doesn't care about anyone? We have to depend on each other, and we have to be our brothers and sisters' keepers. We, the black people of Jamaica, must stop killing one another. Out of many, one people, but we need to change how we say it. Out of many, a few good men. It used to be one love, my brother, but now there's no love, just war and hunger. Brother, is this Jamaica? Every day I get up, every night I lie down, I wonder. Sometimes I wonder if God sees us down here. But if he hasn't forsaken us, everything would have been better. It's only by God's mercy that we're still here, boy. So we have to wonder what will happen to the next generation down here. If we continue like this, people will take over, and we'll just keep killing ourselves until there's no one left. I have to stop and wonder, is this Jamaica? It's not pretty, sir. Hallelujah. Is this Jamaica? We're wicked, boy. Brothers and sisters, wise up. Don't you see we're killing each other? Who do we think will tell us it's not good down here? All the young men are dead, or turning into killers of one another. They don't want to work. This place is full of hell. The devil is here. Only the Holy Spirit can fix this place. We need to start praying on our knees and ask God to take over because this isn't pretty. We are wicked down here. It feels like ever since that big concert, the devil hasn't left this place. People warned it would get wicked, and it has. It's not getting better down here. So I have to look, ask, and wonder, is this Jamaica? When will we stop and wise up and admit things aren't good down here? What we're doing isn't working. You see me? We have to find a better way to deal with law and order. We're heading in the wrong direction. It's like a sore that we're waiting to burst, but we don't want to deal with it until it's too late. You don't see how hot it's getting down here? You've never seen a September so hot that people are melting down here. Not even a fan can cool us down, because the wickedness is turned up high here. The love has left Jamaica and gone somewhere else. I don't even know where it's gone. It's like it's broken like a plate and thrown away. I'll have to go to the river and see if I can find where it broke. Because with all the garbage trucks moving, it must have been carried away. I have to look, ask, and wonder, is this Jamaica? Because it doesn't look pretty here. We have to wise up here. You see me? Not a day goes by where we don't hear of murder. Murder in St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Portland, Clarendon, Massa. There was a time when Clarendon was nice. It was known for good things, Massa. But now murders have moved from 1, 2, 3 to even 16 in a short time. We need to wise up here and return to Massa. Because without God, we are suffering. We, as a people, need to wise up in Jamaica. Because the only time you see politicians is when they want votes. Not even the roads work anymore. We never had roads to drive on, and yet they charge us. If your car breaks down, they charge you. If you don't have tires, they charge you. But guess what? We don't have roads to drive on, so how is the car supposed to survive? So I have to look and ask people. Is this Jamaica? How much of this are we going to accept? It looks wicked. We have to wake up, Massa. Because it seems like we're all asleep. And without us, it can't stop, Massa. We need to find positive ways to deal with things, Massa. We have to raise our children wisely. It will get better, Massa. But right now, we're teaching our children rubbish, Massa. We have to look again and ask, is this Jamaica? We've lost all our morals. We have nothing left here. Women run around naked. Men look like women, Massa. What are we gonna do with all this foolishness? It doesn't look good. We have to rise up and wake up, Massa. We have to get up and realize we are our brother's keepers. Stop talking about animosity. The bad-minded men. Change your attitude, Massa. You see me? Don't wait for the police to police you, Massa. Wise up and do the right thing for yourself, Massa. Before I'm done, I have to say,
no love left to find. Tell me now, where's our peace of mind? Is this Jamaica where the love's gone? I see pain in the dawn all night long. Man, them hustle, trying to stay strong. Tell me now, where did we go wrong? Gonna rise up, gonna stand tall. We'll rebuild, won't let our spirit fall. Together strong, Is this Jamaica? Is this Jamaica? Where we heading? On a fire, but the youth them now listen. Man are dead, people running from the system. Tell me now, is this really where we're living? Is this Jamaica, where the love gone? Man, I bought up the place, but we still can't move on. Every day I gunshot, no peace in the land. We feel rise up now, cause the thing them get around. Yo, me say the streets, them bloody red. Holy for man lie down dead. You them can't even walk on the road, them dread. Them only know murder, me say full of gun leave and go with law and the order. Babylon lock up, still we a slaughter. Politician chat, but no change from the corner. Is this Jamaica? May have to ask for brother. The whole country mash up like cat disease. The wickedness rise, the love decrease. Who the hell with the trust when the gunman increase? Now I stop till every heart start for freeze. Is this Jamaica, where we heading? On a fire, but the youth them now listen. Man are dead, people running from the system. Tell me now, is this really where we're living? Is this Jamaica, where the love gone? Man, I bought up the place, but we still can't move on. Every day I gunshot, no peace in the land. We feel rise up now, cause the thing them get around. Yo, bad man rule from the top to the street. Pants and low, them a rock to the beat. But the only beat real is the gunshot sweet. While the man of them cry, cause them son dead neat. Me no know where the love gone with the breeze. Jamaica mash up like the sea where I freeze. Is this what we want for the picnic them see? A pure wickedness run, can't get no ease. Bad mind mash up every heart in a ear. You them not fight for no love, only fear. Me no care where you're from, not south or anywhere. Jamaica not fi end up in a blood clot here. Is this Jamaica, where we heading? On a fire, but the youth them now listen. Man are dead, people running from the system. Tell me now, is this really where we're living? Is this Jamaica, where the love gone?
Thanks for tuning in to FFC TV Voice of the People. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep the conversation going and bring you more of what matters most, from social issues in music to Jamaican history and motivational moments.